Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we will discuss about the array size. So how we can find out the array size. To get the size of an array, we can use the sizeof operator. Suppose we have one array, numbers equal to 5, 8, 1, 3, 10. So we need to find out the size of this array. So normally we need to find an integer data type size. We can use sizeof operator. So size, here we can use sizeof. So the size means it is in byte, right? So size is equal to that. We can tell bytes. So suppose this we are using one integer, then normally it will take. Okay, we are missing semicolon. We will run this. So integer data type take 4 bytes. And suppose float, it will also take 4 bytes. So our variable is double, then it will take 8 bytes. See, and just character means it will take 1 byte. We are using character array just like a character of 100, then it will take 100 bytes. Okay, so here we need to find out the size of this array. So here we can use size of, we can use the the array is numbers. We will run this, then we will get 20 bytes because this is an integer array, right? We have 5 elements, so each element will take 4 byte. So 5 into 20, that is 5 into 4, that is 20, right? So we are getting 20. Suppose here one more variable, one more element is there, just like 6, just like 7. So here 6 element, 6 into 4, that is 24, right? We will run this, we will get 24 bytes. So we need to loop these elements without hard coding the value. Suppose here we are using 4 int I equal to 0. First we can hard code the value. So this is a 6 element, right? I less than 6, then I plus plus. In the brace we can printf percentage d. Here we can tell members of this I, right? Here we can put one tab also slash t. Here we can put one new line also. So here we are just hard coded the value 6, right? We will run this. We are getting the elements 5, 8, 1, 3, 27. So without using this hard coded value, we need to calculate. So this array taking 24 bytes. And this data type is integer, right? Integer will take 4 bytes. So 24 divided by that 4, that is the size, right? That is the number of elements in this array, right? So here we can use one more variable int number of elements. What we can tell, size of this array, right? Numbers. Numbers divided by size of int data type, right? Here we can give int, or we can directly give one element also, like numbers of 0. So this way we will get in one element only, right? 5. The size of 5 is 4 byte only, right? And this we can copy, and we can replace this hard coded value 6. Now we will run, we will get the same output, right? Suppose here we are adding some more values like 2, 15. So it is 8th element, right? So 32. So we'll run this, that is 32 bytes. And without hard coding the value, we are getting all elements, right? So this way we can find out the size of an array, and we can find out the number of elements in an array. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.